Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to use this glass generator program. So right here I have a glazed panel, and what this program does is it will find the mullions that are around this panel, and based on those mullions it'll find the correct glass, or it'll allow you to create a new glass type without having to go through the glass family request form. So you click glass generator, click the panel, and then this form will pop up. And as you see, you'll have like a top, left, right, bottom mullion, and it's filled in this data based on the name of the mullion, and this data is pulled from our database. So you can view that data here if you click that. Um, and this is basically the master data, which is based off of the family standards. So if you go through, you can find any profile that we have in our database. And we also have this local data, which is basically job specific. So based on the job that you have, if you made any changes to one of these profiles and you didn't want to change the family standards, you could change it here and it'll save for that job. So you don't have to redo it every time. So say that you have all this data, your glass makeup, all this is correct. Then to actually create the glass, you hit find create, and there was no glass type that matched this data, so it'll ask to create a new one. Hit yes, and it made a new type 756. And to load that into the project, you just hit load, and instead of a glazed empty panel, there's now 756.